Hey dear. We are going to show you best pressure washer under $50 washer pressure, car pressure washer we've created. This list is based on my personal opinion based on our research and the value of sustainability, and further, we include options for each type of consumer. So if you are looking for the best product money, want to buy a good product, of course, you will find the link in the description below to see more information and updated prices on the products mentioned. So let's start with best pressure washer under $50 washer pressure, car pressure washer. Number 5 brand name, for floor. Specifications: type, portable and vehicle mounted. Power, 60 watts high pressure water pump with built-in pressure switch. Working voltage, DC 12 volts, with car cigarette lighter adapter. Power connector, car cigarette light. Free shipping, high pressure self-priming electric car wash washer water. Pump 12 volts car washer washing machine cigarette lighter. For more information, product link in the description box. Number 4 brand name, no N name null. Features: suitable for car upholstery, cleaning wool, leather car upholstery, dashboard, steering wheel, door panels, carpet, floor mats, car roof, the surface of the motor, the tire surface, the surface of the wheel. Water saving switch, easy to control. Equipped with a brush for easy cleaning, narrow gap. Using the new tornado bearing rotor design, smaller startup pressure, speed faster, better cleaning effect. Air car cleaning gun, pneumatic car tool, dry cleaner, tornado apparatus with metal bearing turbo. For more information, product link in the description box. Number 3 brand name, Karcher. Features: the portable car shower kit is an item for indoors and outdoors. Great for shower, cleaning your car, dog, etc. Work with water container, not included. Voltage, 12 volts, car cigarette socket. Specifications: material, plastic. Color, multicolor. New powerful car washer, 12 volts portable car shower washer set, electric pump, outdoor camping car wash, travel cleaning tool. For more information, product link in the description box. Number 2 brand name, Rundong Auto Accessories. Air pulse device, tornado pneumatic dust gun, car interior cleaning gun, portable air gun. US interface, with brush head. Professional, produces enormous power with a very small air compressor. Works with your air compressor to blast cleaning solution into crevices you can't reach by hand. Widely used, suitable for cleaning wool, car upholstery, leather car upholstery, dashboard, steering wheel, door panels, carpet, floor mats, car roof, the engine, surface, the surface of the tire, wheel surface, and so on. Portable and durable, air pulse spray nozzle and hose design inserted in the deep bottle to make an excellent capacity of cleaning, environment friendly, construction for lasting value. For more information, product link in the description box. Number 1 brand name, VMO. Feature: complete low pressure washer kit, easily connects to your garden hose. No complicated setup or equipment required. Your garden hose is now a foaming pressure washer producing suds instantly. Standard garden hose attachment connects directly to your garden hose right out of the box. No complicated extra hose attachments required. Quick release connector, go from water spraying garden hose to foam sprayer with one click. Leak free nozzle, the precision fit rubber seal ensures a leak free connection. For more information, product link in the description box. Thank you for watching this video.